The following segment is sponsored by National Cattlemen's Beef Association.
With summer quickly approaching, that means grilling season is almost upon us. Celebrity chef Lamar and rancher John Coleman Locke are sharing a little bit about farming and grilling. Welcome to the show, guys.
Hello.
Hi. How's it going?
John, what are some of the things you do to make sure that you're caring for the land and being sustainable?
So very few people realize that the number of beef cattle in North America today is very similar to the number of bison that would have been here several hundred years ago. One of the main things that I do and that many ranchers do to help improve the environment is they have managed grazing systems. So we move our cattle frequently to fresh forage. We allow the forage that's just been grazed to have ample opportunity to recover. That helps improve the plants. They come back stronger to where when we come back to graze them the next time, they're better. That helps build soil. That helps improve all biological functions. That's better for the animals. They perform better. Their health is better. Ultimately, it's better for the people that operate the system and the people that are the consumers that take beef from that system. And all of that works together to be better for the environment, better for the world.
Okay, thank you. And Chef Lamar, what are you making for us today?
Awesome. So what I have here on my very right is a steak frites. So it's a ribeye steak coated with a little bit of miso butter. And then the fries are tossed with togarashi, which is a citrus spice, and then a curry dipping sauce. Then I have a steak à poivre. So the New York strip has been encrusted with black peppercorns and then pan seared. Then there's a black peppercorn sauce, a little bit of whiskey, some butter, and then finished with a little bit of heavy cream.
Chef Lamar, what are your tips for making sure your grill out is just perfect?
First tip is, having someone like John as a farmer, you want to highlight that. And my advice is start a grocery store, talk to your local butcher. They can tell you more about the steaks, where they come from, and even finding some of the best, what I call chef's cuts and also butcher cuts. When cooking, I like to use a cast iron. So using a cast iron on the grill is being able to oil it down very, very well. Cook at a very high heat to get a really great sear. When you're done cooking to your appropriate temperature, allowing it to rest for about 4 to 5 minutes, and then going to slicing your steak or eating your steak so you can get that really good unctuous flavor.
All right, amazing. And where can viewers go to learn more?
You can find classic recipes like this and more at beefitswhatsfordinner.com.
Awesome. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, John and Chef Lamar.